The USWF gravity water filter system features coconut shell carbon media that effectively reduces chlorine, sediment, and other impurities while enhancing the taste and odor of the water. Crafted from stylish 304 food-grade stainless steel, the system's high-capacity housing is both elegant and durable, holding up to 2.25 gallons to serve up to 4 people. This portable filtration system requires no installation or electricity, making it easy to use and perfect for various settings, including kitchen countertops and picnic tables. Included in the package is a heavy-duty sight glass spigot that allows you to see the water level in the lower chamber and a non-slip stand for enhanced functionality. The 2 fluoride filters and 2 carbon filters have impressive longevity, capable of filtering up to 1,000 and 6,000 gallons of water respectively, greatly reducing plastic waste. Certified by NSF ANSI 372, this filtration system provides peace of mind by ensuring high quality and safety standards are met for drinking water.